for tuning in back to the channel. Today I would like to show you how to make a face mask, easy one. So I've already drafted, or I have already drafted a square which is 6 inches by 6 inches. So let's get started and see how it's done. I'm gonna start here at the top by actually marking 1.5 inch here on top, and here on the side I'm gonna mark from here going down, I'm gonna mark 2.5 inches. From here at the bottom, I'm gonna mark going up, I'm gonna mark 2 inches. And right here at the bottom, I am going to mark 1.5 inch. And I'm going to connect the markings, all the markings right there. And also make a soft curve so that it shouldn't be too straight. Great. So right here on the side, sorry, I am going to go down by 2 inches. And here I'm going to go up by 1 inch. And I am going to connect the curve. And when you do connect it, please do connect it with a slight curve all around. And this is how your pattern looks. And then after this, you are going to add seam allowances all around your pattern. So I'm going to add my seam allowance all around the pattern, and I'll come back and I'll show you how you can actually cut it on the fabric. So guys, I've already added 1 inch, half an inch, sorry, all around the pattern. So when I do cut, I did cut like 4 layers of fabric. You can pick a fabric of your choice, and in this case I'm gonna go ahead and sew it. So I'm gonna start sewing the front with the seam allowance that I left, which is half an inch. I'm gonna sew in all around the front first, and then I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna do both of them, and I'm gonna show you how I've sewn it. Now I'm gonna put it together. Okay guys, now I have sewn these pieces together. As you can see, I'm gonna open it so that you guys can see. This is the side, the inside that I have sewn. So I'm going to turn it inside out. So there it is. I'm gonna join them together, right? So how do I join them together? As you can see, the seam, right, will be facing each other like so. As you can see, I don't know if you can see with this pattern, and the seams is the ones that are going to be showing, and I'm going to join the top part. I'm going to join the top parts together here, except the sides, right? I'm not going to join the side. I'm just going to top the top part. I'm going to sew in the top part and also the bottom part. Then I'll show you again how it looks and how to insert the elastic. And this is the type of elastic that I will be using. So let me go and sew, and then I'll show you how it is. So guys, I went ahead and I sewed the top and the bottom, and then I flip it, turned it inside out. As you can see, I've already sewn it right on the side, and I turned it, and then now this is how it looks so far. I am going to show you how to actually attach the elastic. So my elastic is going to be 7 inches, so I prefer 8 inches. Okay, if it's bigger, you might as well tie the elastic at the back. So I choose 8 inches. I'm gonna cut 8 inches of elastic, and I'm gonna do 2 elastics. I'm gonna cut 2 elastic, which is 8 inches elastic, and you can see that they are the same size. So how am I going to attach this to the elastic is I'm gonna fold this, and as you can see, it's the opening, right, the one that I said don't sew. So you're just gonna turn it in just a little bit like so, at least half an inch, and then from that opening, in that opening, let me cut this thread. You are going to attach the elastic one straight in that corner. Make sure that it's a little bit tucked in so that it shouldn't come out later, and then you actually tack in another side on the other side like so, right? And then if you want, you can pin it so that it shouldn't move as you're going to put it in the sewing machine. Right, I'm just going to pin this and do the same on the other side also. Okay, now you are going to sew this like so. So you're going to do the same as also on the other side. There's my opening. Let me cut the threads. There's my opening, as you can see it, and you're just going to fold it, just small fold, which is around 1/2 inch, and you are going to also do the same, tuck in the elastic both sides. And now once you're done doing this, you're gonna run a straight stitch. Make sure you do a back stitch, and then you sew a straight line and do a back stitch, and you're done. And I'm gonna show you, come back and show you how it actually look, right? So let's get down to it. And there it is, guys. This is how it looks after the elastic has been attached. And I'm gonna open it so that you guys can also see how it looks. Even when it's laid flat, you can see the top and you can also see the bottom part. It looks so good on my face. So like I said, guys, if you find that the elastic is a little bit big for you, you might as well tie the elastic on the side so that it can fit your face very well. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in into this channel, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe so that you can see a next video that I'm going to post. I'm going to make a video of kiddies pattern, how you can actually do a face mask for kids. So guys, don't forget to tune in into this channel. So see you guys later on the next video. Don't forget to stay safe and stay at home. If you're going out, put on your face mask.